How to unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The first thing you have to understand here is that you cannot do this yourself. You have to contact the help support or maybe submit a web ticket so that they can get back to you. Now go to your browser and go to support.rockstargames.com. I will make sure to drop a link below. Then right here you can see account support. Click on account support. Then under here you can see various options. You can just go to this little option over here or click on Rockstar Games account or unlinking a Steam account or whatever else here, right? So I'll select Rockstar Games account here. Once I click on Rockstar Games account, you can see account linking. Go to account linking option. Then here you can see unlinking an account from your Epic Games account, right, or Rockstar Games account. Now here you will see a little web ticket or a form fill up. So all you have to do is simply enter your PSN online ID for PlayStation, gamer tag for Xbox, or Rockstar Games account email for PC. So just make sure to enter the email of your Rockstar Games account. In the description tab, just let them know that you want to unlink the Epic Games account and provide them the Epic Games ID or the email so that they can use that from your Rockstar Games account. Now it usually takes a couple of hours for them to get back to you. You might actually want to wait at least 24 hours before you wait for the reply, and just try to upload some files depending upon what issue you're having. Click on submit web ticket and then they'll hopefully get back to you with your unlinked accounts. So this way you can go ahead and then basically actually unlink your Rockstar Games account from Epic Games. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.